Units 11 and 12 in Villa number 27 at the Baytree Golf and Racquet Club in Little River offer an amazing opportunity to own a furnished and remodeled ground floor and lockout unit in one of the most captivating locations on the East Coast. Situated at the end of the community road in a private setting with a pond view, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath lockout unit boasts an open floor plan with luxury vinyl and tile flooring throughout. The kitchen boasts white shaker cabinets, stainless appliances, glass tile backsplash, and marble countertops. The sizable living room leads to spacious bedrooms with screened porch and patio access. Other features that make this villa special are abundant windows providing plentiful natural light, custom blinds, designer fans, and recessed lighting. Just minutes to the beach, shopping, restaurants, golf and entertainment, and boating along the Intracoastal Waterway, this villa is move-in ready and waiting for you. Call us today